In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Fortnite on iPhone 16. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might already be aware, Fortnite was officially removed from the App Store, but you can still play it on any iPhone, including the iPhone 16. For this, you will have to use a cloud gaming service if you are outside of the EU. So if we visit the official Fortnite website, they actually teach us how to play on iPhone or iPad. You will see that they say that if you are in the European Union, you can download Fortnite or play using cloud gaming. So if you are on the EU, you simply download the Epic Games Store mobile application, and in there you will have the option to download Fortnite onto your iPhone. However, if you are outside of the EU, which I believe is the case for most people, you will have to play using Xbox Cloud Gaming, GeForce Now, or Amazon Luna. For this video, I recommend using the Xbox Cloud Gaming service. I believe it is the easiest to access and it is free to use as well, but you can choose from Amazon Luna or GeForce Now if you prefer. Open a web browser and go to xbox.com/play. Once you arrive at this website, you will see a bunch of games that you can play over the cloud, including Fortnite. You can add this website to the home screen as an application by tapping on this icon, and then you will find Add to Home Screen. So tap on the share icon, go to Add to Home Screen, and this will allow you to add an icon of the application on the home screen. Every time that you tap this icon, you will be brought into the Xbox Cloud Gaming website. If you select Fortnite and you are signed into a Microsoft account, you will be able to go through the queue. You can sign into your very own Epic Games account and you will have full touch control support. You can connect a controller and start playing right away from your iPhone 16 or any other device. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Fortnite on iPhone 16. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.